Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the prostate and seminal vesicles. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। तो सबसे पहला पॉइंट है एम्ब्रियोलॉजी ऑफ द प्रोस्टेट। उसमें क्या देखते हैं? सबसे पहला उसमें पॉइंट है प्रिमिटिव यूरेथ्रा। तो प्रिमिटिव यूरेथ्रा डेवलप्स अ सीरीज ऑफ सॉलिड epithelial buds. These buds become canalized within weeks. Surrounding mesenchyme forms muscular and connective tissue of the gland, plays a significant role in stromal epithelium interactions and differentiations. Second point है Skin's tubules open on either side of the female urethra, homologous to the prostate in males. Next, सर्जिकल एनाटॉमी ऑफ द प्रोस्टेट। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्लासिफिकेशन बाय मैकनील। प्रोस्टेट डिवाइडेड इनटू डिफरेंट जोन्स विच आर दे पेरिफेरल जोन, सेंट्रल जोन एंड ट्रांजिशनल जोन। पेरिफेरल जोन में देखते हैं पेरिफेरल जोन इज मेनली लोकेटेड ऑन पोस्टीरियरली। तो पेरिफेरल जोन इज लोकेटेड ऑन पोस्टीरियर साइड। ओरिजिन ऑफ मोस्ट कार्सिनोमा। तो most of the carcinomas are originated on the posterior zone or in the posterior zone. Central zone देखते हैं located posterior to the urethral lumen and above the ejaculatory ducts. Resembles an egg in an egg cup with the p's head. ठीक है। थर्ड जोन देखते हैं ट्रांजिशनल जोन। ट्रांजिशनल जोन जो कि रहता है पेरियूरेथ्रल साइड में। ओरिजिन ऑफ मोस्ट बेनाइन प्रोस्टेटिक हाइपरप्लेसिया पीपीएच हम उसे कहते हैं। मसल देखेंगे प्रेजेंट थ्रू आउट द प्रोस्टेट इन द अपर पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोस्टेट एंड ब्लैडर नेक अ सेपरेट स्पिंक्टर मसल इज इन्वॉल्व इन सेक्शुअल फंक्शन which closes during ejaculation. A resection during prostatectomy can cause retrograde ejaculation. ठीक है। थर्ड पॉइंट है नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है distal striated urethral sphincter located at the junction of the prostate and the membranous urethra, horseshoe shaped with the bulk lying anteriorly, distinct from the pelvic floor muscles. प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड देखेंगे पेरिफेरल जोन में कौन कौन सी ग्लैंड होती है। These glands are lined by columnar epithelium situated in the fibromuscular stroma. Ducts are long, branched, and open into posterior lateral grooves on either side of the verinomontanum. Central and transitional zone glands. These are shorter and unbranched ducts. Prostatic urethra. Ducts of the glands, common ejaculatory ducts and prostatic utricle open into it. अब मेन पॉइंट देखेंगे बेनाइन प्रोस्टैटिक हाइपरप्लेसिया। ओरिजिनेशन देखेंगे बिगिंस इन द पेरीयूरेथ्रल ट्रांजिशनल जोन जैसा कि हमने पहले देखा था। एज इट ग्रोज इट कंप्रेसेस द आउटर पेरिफेरल जोन फॉर्मिंग द फॉल्स कैप्सूल। एनाटॉमिकल स्ट्रक्चर देखेंगे टू ट्रू फाइब्रस एनाटॉमिकल कैप्सूल विच इज लोकेटेड outermost, periprostatic sheath, condensation of endopelvic fascia external to the pelvic capsule, external to the true pelvic capsule. ठीक है। Prostatic venous plexus which lies between the anatomical capsule and prostatic sheath. ठीक है। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट देखेंगे फिजियोलॉजी एंड पैथोलॉजी ऑफ प्रोस्टेट। सबसे पहला पॉइंट है न्यूरोवैस्कुलर बंडल्स एंड सर्जिकल रिस्क। Location and importance. Neurovascular bundles supplying autonomic innervations to the corpora of the penis are closely related to the posterolateral aspect of the prostatic capsule. ठीक है। Surgical risk. These bundles are at risk of damage during radical cystoprostatectomy or radical prostatectomy और ठीक है potentially causing इरेक्टाइल इम्पोर्टेंस। ठीक है। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इनएडवेरेंट डैमेज। ठीक है। अनकॉमन इरेक्टाइल इम्पोर्टेंस आफ्टर ट्रांसयूरेथ्रल प्रोस्टेटेक्टोमी may result from inadvertent diathermy in the region of these nerves. Hormonal regulation and prostatic growth. Testosterone and prostatic growth. Primary हार्मोन इन्फ्लुएंसिंग प्रोस्टैटिक ग्रोथ। ठीक है। तो टेस्टोस्टेरोन प्राइमरली इन्फ्लुएंस द प्रोस्टैटिक ग्रोथ। secretly by Leydig cells in the testes controlled by luteinizing hormone. LH is regulated by luteinizing hormone releasing hormone LHRH from the hypothalamus. LHRH characteristics देखेंगे. Short half-life, released in a pulsatile manner. Continuous administration leads to the receptor desensitization used in androgen deprivation therapy for prostate cancer. Conversion to DHT. Testosterone is converted to 5-alpha dihydrotestosterone by the enzyme 5-alpha reductase, which is of type 2, found in high concentrations in the prostate and perigenital skin. DHT is 5 times more potent than testosterone. Other hormonal influences. Adrenal androgens have minimal effects in normal males. Oestrogenic steroids from the adrenal cortex may disrupt the balance between DHT and local growth factors in the aging males, increasing the risk of PPH. Pharmacological levels of estrogens decrease LHRH and LH, leading to lower testosterone and atrophy of testis and prostate. Local growth factors कौन कौन से हैं? Peptide growth factors secreted by prostatic epithelium and stromal cells in response to the steroid hormones include epidermal growth factor, insulin-like growth factors, basic fibroblast growth factor, and transforming growth factors alpha and beta. Roles in normal and abnormal prostatic growth are not fully understood. ठीक है. एंड्रोजेनिक हार्मोन्स की समरी देखेंगे हम लोग, जो कि आपको बेली के समरी बॉक्स 73.1 में मिल जाएंगी. Sources of androgens. Majority 90% of testosterone is from Leydig cells. ठीक है. Metabolized adrenal androgens account for 5 to 10%. Conversion to DHT. Enzyme 5-alpha reductase type 2 highly concentrated in the prostate and perigenital skin. DHT is more potent than testosterone. Prostate specific antigen PSA and diagnostic use. PSA characteristics. A glycoprotein serine protease facilitating semen liquefaction. Marker for prostatic diseases measured by immunoassay. PSA levels and diagnostic implications देखेंगे. Levels increase with age, prostate cancer and PPH. No absolute normal upper limit. Levels around 3 to 4 Ng per ml in mean male aged between 50 to 69 warrant further investigation. ठीक है. तो इतना बिलीवेबल नहीं है, इसके लिए कुछ इन्वेस्टिगेशन करनी पड़ेगी. हाई लेवल्स देखेंगे. मोर देन 30 Ng per ml indicate metastatic prostate cancer. Levels less than 10 to 15 Ng per ml typically seen in locally confined prostate cancer. Diagnostic reliability. PSA is a reliable marker for advanced disease progression but not for early differential diagnosis between prostate cancer and PPH. Approximately 25% of men with PSA 4 to 10 Ng per ml have prostatic cancer. 15 to 20% of men with PSA 1 to 4 Ng per ml have prostatic cancer. Prostate biopsy recommended for men aged between 50 to 69 with PSA greater than 3 Ng per ml. Lower threshold for younger men with strong family history. ठीक है. Next is पैथोलॉजी ऑफ बेनाइन प्रोस्टेटिक हाइपरप्लेजिया. तो सबसे पहला पॉइंट है अफेक्टेड टिश्यूज़. टिश्यूज़ कौन कौन से अफेक्ट होंगे? ग्लैंडुलर एपिथेलियम, कनेक्टिव टिश्यू स्ट्रोमा, सिमिलर चेंजेस टू ब्रेस्ट, डिस्प्लेसिया विच इज एडिनोसिस, इपिथेलियोसिस, स्ट्रोमल प्रोलिफरेशन. ठीक है. सेकेंड पॉइंट टिपिकल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स कौन कौन से हैं? अफेक्ट्स सबम्यूकस ग्लैंड्स इन द ट्रांजिशनल जोन कॉजिंग नोडुलर इनलार्जमेंट. Overgrowth compresses the peripheral zone glands, forming a false capsule. Causes typical lateral lobes appearance. Affects subcervical central zone glands, forming a middle lobe projecting into the bladder. Internal sphincter infect. Lateral lobes may project into the bladder, can surround internal urinary meatus with an intravesical prostatic collar. Effects of PPH. एनाटॉमिकल प्रोस्टेटिक इंलार्जमेंट सबसे पहला पॉइंट यही है. कॉम्प्लेक्स रिलेशनशिप्स विथ lower urinary tract symptoms, which is short form of LUTS, which has a short form LUTS, and bladder outflow obstruction BOO. BOO यानी कि bladder outflow obstruction can be due to increased smooth muscle tone regulated by a alpha androgenic agonists. पैथोफिजियोलॉजिकल चेंजेस कौन कौन से हैं? BOO leads to bladder trabeculation, smooth muscle hypertrophy and fibrosis. Symptoms and outcomes देखेंगे. Symptoms: LUTS can occur without BOO. Symptoms include acute/chronic retention, hematuria, urinary infection, and stone formation. Urethra changes: lengthening of prostatic urethra, possible exaggerated posterior curve requiring a curved catheter. Distortion of occurs with enlargement of one lateral lobe. Bladder changes कौन कौन से हैं? Bladder musculature hypertrophies and appears trabeculated due to BOO. Increased flow at the base causing hematuria. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट देखेंगे लोअर यूरिनरी ट्रैक्ट सिम्टम्स. ठीक है. डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ LUTS. LUTS can be categorized into two main types: voiding and storage symptoms. Voiding symptoms: hesitancy, difficulty starting urination, worsened if the bladder is very full, poor flow, weak urine stream not improved by straining, intermittent stream, urine flow that stops and starts during urination, dribbling, leakage of urine after micturition, sensation of poor bladder emptying, feeling that the bladder is not completely emptied, episodes of near retention, almost unable to pass urine. Storage symptoms: first is frequency, second is nocturia, third is urgency, fourth is urge incontinence, फिफ्थ इज नॉक्चर्नल इंकॉन्टिनेंस. ठीक है, वन बाय वन देखेंगे. फ्रीक्वेंसी: नीड टू यूरिनेट फ्रीक्वेंटली, नॉक्चुरिया, waking up at night to urinate, urgency, sudden strong need to urinate. Fourth is urge incontinence में involuntary leakage of urine associated with urgency. Nocturnal incontinence उसे हम इन्वेरेसिस भी कहते हैं, जो जनरली चिल्ड्रन में पाया जाता है. हम चाइल्ड में ऐसे सिम्टम्स देखते हैं. इनवॉलंटरी यूरिनेशन ड्यूरिंग स्लीप. ठीक है. असेसमेंट ऑफ LUTS. स्कोरिंग सिम्टम्स. सेमी ऑब्जेक्टिव मेजर्स टू असेस द सीवेरिटी ऑफ LUTS. सिम्टम specificity. Symptoms do not always correlate with the underlying pathophysiological problem. For example, severe detrusor instability can cause poor flow sensations due to low voided volumes, which is less than 100 ml. Severe irritative symptoms are usually linked to detrusor instability. Post-micturition dribbling is not typically due to bladder outlet obstruction and is not improved by prostatectomy. Next is bladder outflow obstruction. उसकी definition है: urodynamic concept based on low flow rate and high voiding pressures diagnosed definitively by pressure flow studies. Causes of symptoms can result from detrusor instability, neurological dysfunction, and weak bladder contraction. Diagnosis: flow rates. Low peak flow rates less than 10 to 12 ml per second are indicative but not a diagnostic of BOO. They can also result from weak detrusor contractions or low voided volumes. Utility: flow rates are useful for everyday clinical management. Urodynamically proven causes of BOO: brain and prostatic hyperplasia, bladder neck stenosis, bladder neck hypertrophy, prostatic cancer, urethral strictures, functional obstruction due to neuropathic conditions. Effects of BOO on the bladder. Primary effects: urinary flow rates urinary flow rates which decrease. Normal is about less than 15 ml per second for volumes greater than 200 ml. Equivocal is 10 to 15 ml per second and low is less than 10 ml per second. ठीक है. Voiding pressures increases. High is greater than 80 centimeter of H2O. equivocal is 60 to 80 cm of H2O and normal is less than 60 cm of H2O. Long-term effects: bladder decompensation, detrusor contraction efficiency decreases leading to residual urine, bladder irritability, decrease in functional capacity during filling due to detrusor overactivity, which may also be caused by neurological dysfunction, aging or idiopathic factors. ठीक है. ब्लैडर आउटलेट ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन कॉम्प्लिकेशंस, इस पॉइंट को हम यहाँ देखेंगे. फर्स्ट इज एक्यूट रिटेंशन ऑफ यूरिन. इनिशियल सिम्टम है ऑफन द फर्स्ट साइन ऑफ BOO. प्रेसिपिटेटिंग कॉजेज कौन कौन से? पोस्टपोनिंग मिक्चुरेशन, ओवर रिडल्जेंस ऑफ इन बियर, ठीक है. कन्फाइनमेंट टू बेड ड्यू टू इंटरकरेंट इलनेस और ऑपरेशन, ठीक है. Chronic retention, residual volume greater than 250 ml, bladder wall tension increased due to high volume of residual urine and increased resting and filling pressures. High pressure chronic retention, this condition causes functional obstruction of upper urinary tract. Consequences: development of bilateral hydronephrosis, potential upper tract infection and renal impairment. Symptoms: overflow incontinence, enuresis, renal insufficiency. Clinical alert. Presence of these symptoms should alert the doctor to chronic retention. Impaired bladder emptying, bladder decompensations lead to a large volume of residual urine. Complications: increase risk of urinary infection and formation of urinary calculi. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है असेसमेंट ऑफ पेशेंट विथ LUTS. हिस्ट्री, सिम्टम स्कोर शीट्स. इंटरनेशनल प्रोस्टेट सिम्टम स्कोर IPPS assigns a score reflecting the severity of symptoms, includes an assessment of quality of life to gauge the degree of bother caused by symptoms. Frequency volume diary, completed by the patient before clinic visits, reveals fluid intake habits, diurnal variation in outputs, and low volume frequent voiding. Investigations of men with LUTS. Essential investigation: urine analysis, dipstick test for blood glucose and protein, urine culture to check for infection, serum creatinine to assess kidney function, urinary flow rate and residual volume measurement. Additional investigations: PSA, prostate specific antigen if indicated, pressure flow studies. Abdominal examination, general findings कौन कौन से हैं? Typically normal abdominal extension, chronic retention. A distended bladder can be found on palpation, percussion, and sometimes infections with a loss of transverse suprapubic skin crease. Signs of chronic renal impairment: anemia and dehydration. Examination of external urinary meatus to exclude stenosis. Examination of epididymitis to check for signs of inflammation. Rectal examination में benign enlargement, smooth convex and elastic posterior surface of prostate, possible firm consistency due to fibrous element. Rectal mucosa can move over the prostate. Residual urine may be felt as a fluctuating swelling above the prostate. Significant residual urine can push the prostate downward, making it appear larger. Nervous system examination objective: to rule out a neurological lesion. Conditions that may mimic prostate obstruction: diabetes mellitus, Tapes dorsalis, disseminated sclerosis, cervical spondylosis, Parkinson's disease. Pressure flow urodynamic study recommended if neurological conditions are suspected. Perianal sensation and anal tone useful for detecting an S2 to S4 cauda equina lesion. Serum prostate specific antigen considerations. Benefits of early detection and residual treatment of prostate cancer are uncertain. Men should be informed about the PSA test, associated risks, and the implications of detecting a cancer that might be difficult to treat. PSA measurement recommended for men whose treatment options might be influenced by a diagnosis of early prostate cancer, particularly those under 70 years or with a positive family history. Follow If PSA is greater than 2.5 to 4 nmol per liter, consider transrectal ultrasound scanning, that is TRUS, and multiple transrectal biopsies, that are 10 biopsies if needed. Routine PSA measurement is unnecessary for men with uncomplicated BOO unless future litigation concerns necessitate it. ठीक है. फ्लो रेट मेजरमेंट प्रोसीजर देखेंगे. Record 2 or 3 voids. Voided volume should exceed greater or greater than 150 to 200 ml. Typically conducted at a specialized flow rate clinic. Criteria for treatment recommendation: flow rate less than 10 ml per second for a voided volume of greater than 200 ml, coupled with ultrasound measurement of post-void residual urine. Considerations: accurate machine calibration is necessary. Patient must void volumes in exceeds of 150 ml. Multiple recordings, 2 or 3 are needed for representative measurement. ठीक है, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में.